Okay, so I've added a couple pieces of information to our page here. Up here I put in that there is a dead load. I've given that a value of 40 pounds per foot squared and a live load of 100 pounds per foot squared. And down here I wrote in beam uniform load example. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to calculate our total floor load first. So I'm just going to write total floor load is equal to the dead load plus the live load. So that is the uniform load, total floor load calculation. Dead load plus live load. So we have up here for a dead load 40 pound feet squared. So I'm going to write 40 pound feet squared plus the live load of 100 pound feet squared, and that's going to come out to, or be equal to, 140 pound feet squared. Alright, now we're going to actually calculate the uniform beam load. So I'm going to write that right here. Uniform beam load. And that uniform beam load is going to be equal to the floor load times the tributary width. Wow, almost ran out of paper there. So that is going to be this value here, that's our floor load. That's 140 pound feet squared times our tributary width, which is that decimal value that we just got right up there, which is 6.67 feet. And we're going to take our calculator out and cancel. And I'm going to take 140 times 6.67, and that is going to equal 900, and I'm just going to round this up. This is going to equal 934, so that's equals, and that is pound feet. So that is what I expect you to have written down in your engineering notebook right there.